That's okay, there's enough left.
Look cute.
Ooh, great shirt. Where can I get one? Kick it off.
Back today for the new year. First video of the year.
In fact, we need some cute intro. Hey, everyone.
No. That's not very my style. I don't think people come to my channel to get yelled at. Right?
Okay.
Right. Anyways, first video of the new year. This is a what I got for Christmas video. Been doing one of these since I was a little thing. Been on YouTube for way too long. But
this may very well be like an anniversary, like a 10th annual Christmas.
I don't think it's 10 yet, but it's pretty close.
Oof, that's crazy.
Yeah. Anyways, thought we would share what we gave each other and also just some other gifts that I got and just kind of ramble and talk to you guys. I enjoy these videos. I think they're always fun to watch, so
What do you want to
thought I
start
might
with?
as well continue the tradition. Let's start with what you're wearing, actually,
What
because
I'm
I got
wearing?
it for you.
My jewelry.
Yeah, your jewelry.
This is a Mason Martin Margiela line 11 necklace
Yes.
that Kaylee got me, but just has really nice hammering on this pick, and it's a really cool threaded technique where it sort of keeps your, gosh, what's the word for this? Pendant. Keeps your pendant item in place. So if you guys like to do any DIY jewelry, that might be a good idea, because I love how it sits up there. It's kind of like ritual-esque is what I always say. And then a plain one down here.
Yes.
Tuck it in. Really simple silver, antiqued silver necklace. Can't go wrong.
Really good find on my part, I think.
Oh yeah, I had it saved. She was shopping in an online secondhand store and I had it in my cart, but she didn't know that. There you go. That's perfect.
Yes.
There's a lot of stuff. I'm looking for
Maybe
your
we
shoes.
should mention our shirts.
Our shirts. We went
Before
to a
someone else
concert,
comments.
not for Christmas, but for New Year.
Yes.
Which was not yesterday, but we'll pretend that it was yesterday, and that's why we're so excited to wear our shirts.
We're using Avery's new wide-angle lens, so we're actually really close to the camera right now. Hopefully, you guys like the look of it. We have these guys that Avery gifted me. He's always getting me shoes.
Yeah, every year. All 2 years.
Do you have anything to say about these ones?
Let's see.
What made you get them?
I think it's something that is perfect for us gifting each other, because we usually end up getting, especially like with the shoes that we got last year, or I got you last year, I should say. I don't know. I'm kind of thinking if this is going to be blurry or not. But it's something that's super fun that you were looking for, but didn't want to buy yourself because it's a fairly big purchase for something that's really fun. Like it's a classic loafer, but then it has like this very grotesque green dyeing pattern to the leather, something like that. So I say that they're like underworld country club loafers, like something super traditional, the shape, the tassels, everything, but then just crazy as far as the coloring of the leather goes. But anyway, really fun item. It was on sale, still fairly expensive, so maybe you wouldn't want to buy it yourself. You kind of forgot about them. Yeah. Which I didn't know that you did forget about them, but that's plus.
Kind of. I really wasn't expecting it, actually.
Yeah, I was surprised that you weren't expecting them, I guess.
Well, as soon as I saw the box, I knew.
Yeah, of course.
Anyways, we actually styled these at our shoot at the Greenbrier, which was part of your Christmas present. It was me.
Oh, thank you.
So that's a super old hotel in West Virginia. You recently did a video on it where we like went through all the looks. Really pleasantly surprised with how the photos came out. I also did a blog post, so if you're interested, checking that out.
Go check it out.
We'll have it all linked down below.
Yeah, these are just perfect for it.
They really are. I think there's one size left of these in sale on Essence. If you have a super small foot, maybe you can get your hands on them.
Yeah, just dropped. I think we were probably both getting notifications.
Yes, those shop tagger notifications.
What shall I grab next?
Avery's mom got me this.
Yeah, it looks really pretty. It looks a little more brown with this lighting setup. Yeah. But really pretty.
So if you guys follow my blog, actually, I assume this is probably how she found out about the brand, unless you told her.
I don't know.
So,
a little bit of both.
The maker of this is Katie Von Lehman. I believe that's how it's pronounced, at least. And this is a carafe. Just looked up how to say it. So you can make coffee in this. I also think it's just a very beautiful decor piece. We've kind of been shopping lately for like an apartment that we hope to have eventually. Doesn't necessarily look the best in the current setup, but I think it's very mature and something that I will have
But it still
forever.
has that very like slight vibrant green right there.
Yes. So this was such a nice surprise, honestly, like one of my favorite gifts.
These are Demoulemeister Linda Farrow. Slight marks on them right now from sitting over there. But they are this fiberglass faux wood, but very subtle, just like a matte black. Really, really cool shape. I think that's all you really need to look at. There you are.
Yes.
Like some speeder frames. I would like to see this in like some sort of Mad Max style outfit. I don't know, it could just go both ways. It could be like with some weird, overly mature, like little short leather Demoulemeister rider jacket.
Yeah.
Or it could be like really full of attitude. I don't know.
Yeah, I really love these. When I got them, I didn't think I would like them on me as well, but as soon as the package came, I was like, oh my god, I wish I had a pair too. But
You kind of do.
yeah. So you had like sent these, maybe not this exact pair, but yeah, you had sent these to me a really long time ago.
Long time ago.
And the retail on them is like $700, and we both thought that was too crazy. But they ended up going on sale.
Yeah. Little silver details, really reflective lenses, which we're not the biggest fans of, but it definitely goes along with the shape of the glasses.
Yeah.
And these really cool silver pods on the end of the leg.
Mm-hmm.
There's gotta be some name for that, but really cool.
Yeah. Yeah, the lenses are growing on me. I was really disappointed in them.
Oh, you did?
at
You
first,
hated
though.
them at first?
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, I think they add up pretty well.
They're beautiful glasses though. Packaging
Oh, packaging. is
out of this
crazy.
world. So
it's just two of these.
these came from my mom. Thanks,
Here, you
Mom,
can bring them in.
if you're watching this. So you're seeing some stacked up right now. I ended up getting 4 plates, 4 bowls. I've had my eye on this porcelain forever, it feels like. I actually tried to buy some for myself over the summer and the package got stolen. Like all my packages seem to get stolen here. I have 2 plates. This is Hisami porcelain, by the way. Not totally sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Again, this is just one of those gifts and like ideas for an apartment that I eventually want to have, and just porcelain that I want to have kind of for the rest of my life. We both really love them. They're a bit pricey, but so worth it. And the way they stack is absolutely beautiful. I think I like these bowls the best. They're huge.
We use this anything, yeah.
And this is the medium bowl.
Yeah, it's just super functional.
Yeah, very functional. Very beautiful at the same time.
Yeah, like longevity in terms of design and quality too. Like it's lifelong.
I'll try to have all this stuff linked down below if you guys are at all interested. But again, if you follow my blog, you probably know that I've been wanting these for some time. So next is some flatware that I asked for. Again, something I've been sort of lusting after for a while, but they just aren't how they looked online, and I had never seen them in person before, so I am actually going to be returning these and picking something else up from Totokayo. So this is Sunao. Again, not sure if I'm pronouncing this correctly. Flatware. It looked super matte on the website, like it would look great with my new porcelain, but these are unbelievably shiny. And just not really what I was looking for, but they're still quite beautiful. But we'll have to be returning these. Next is a gift from my dad. He got me this for me last year, and it's really a useful gift, an eco-friendly gift. This is a city bike pass, so I bike in the city more often in the warmer months, definitely. not right now, but this is very nice and pretty affordable if you're interested in getting one for yourself. Sometimes it's the most efficient way to get around, and it's really fun too. Then got a Sephora gift card. We spent some money at Sephora.
We did.
I got more of this moisturizer, which is my absolute favorite. the 8-ounce one. Biggest bottle they have. This is First Aid Beauty's Ultra Repair Cream. My skin was so dry and flaky, still recovering from the cold.
Yeah.
But it was really necessary that we grabbed this.
Yep.
And we also got this product, which had great reviews.
Very good reviews. I'm pretty happy with it so far. I mainly got this because of my acne. So Team Kate Somerville now. And it's like a lotion. You still need to moisturize afterwards, but it's a cream you put on after you wash your face.
Then I have a book. This came from my mom. This is another thing I actually asked for. It came from Totokayo and it was only $10, so I'll link it below if any of you are interested in it. So these are just paintings and illustrations of women at work. So just a bunch of ladies doing pretty much every job. Very short book, but I think it's cute for a coffee table or just to have. We also got some Airbnb gift cards. We're looking forward to doing a lot of traveling.
Yeah, tell them about your Airbnb credit.
If you guys are interested in traveling on Airbnb, that's definitely our favorite way to travel. It's a lot cheaper than staying in hotels, and you can often stay in some really cool spots.
And you can cook.
Yeah, that's
Big
so
plus.
important. You save so much money too, and if you're in like a
It's
really
fun.
foreign place for a longer period of time, sometimes it's nice to have like your version of a home cooked meal. We have a $40 credit for you, and I'll have a link down below to that. We get some credit too when you guys do that, so it's very appreciated. Also, I think we're going to London this month, so if you have any recommendations for that, let us know. We're going for the sustainability fabric show, or that's the plan at least.
Fabric shopping.
For STAATS. That's about it for today.
Class.
Like I said, I'll have all this stuff linked down below if you guys are all interested in spending some of your Christmas money on it. The heater is making some noise. It's been so cold in my apartment. It's not warming up. It's like single digits outside. It's like when we were on that call earlier and I couldn't stop laughing. Avery and I were on a business call earlier and I just had a breakdown of laughs and
That's
I
really funny.
had to go.
It was like back in high school, like being in class and
Just not being able to contain ourselves.
makes everything funnier.
Yeah. Alright, really gonna let you guys go now. I guess we'll see you soon with a new video. Maybe you'll be in it again.
Maybe, hopefully.
Alright, you guys. See you later.